Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today we're going to showcase a new product from Ethos, and that is called Resist. This is a water-based graphene-infused, user-friendly spray sealant. I'm excited to see how it performs. Let's get right into the video. Ethos Resist, water-based graphene-infused spray sealant, formulated to be easy to use, yet durable at the same time. This container here is under 20 bucks, so reasonably priced. Let's see how this performs. Let's take a look at application removal. We're going to use my disco here as a guinea pig. You could spray onto the panel as long as it's dry and it's cool. You could spray into a microfiber towel, or I'm using the microfiber applicator block here to spread it out. It'll flash quickly, so it really is easy to use. Let me drag you in just a little bit closer, use the shop lights above on the ceiling, and you'll see how the product is to apply. I see no high spots or streaking. I can feel the slickness immediately, and you can apply this to all hard surfaces on the exterior of your car, truck, or motorcycle. Headlights, taillights, plastic trim, wheels, running boards, glass, mirrors. If a product's going to give you a problem with streaking or smearing, you're normally going to see that easily on glass, and I had no problems whatsoever. For the running boards that absolutely get hammered, I'm just going to spray it on there, spread it out, and let it cure. It's not going to take you long to get around your vehicle. It's going to feel slick, and it's going to look fantastic. I do take care of this, but this is daily, and it sees a lot of harsh weather here in the Northeast. Okay, let's get to the test panel. And this was formulated to be either a standalone product or protectant. You can use it as a topper for a ceramic, titanium, graphene, or metal oxide coating. It plays well with others. And if you are going to use it on its own, I really do highly recommend to go through the process of wash, decon, and polishing your vehicle, even if you have to do it by hand. Applying the product once again, this time to the test panel. I believe this angle using the shop light will give you a better idea of how easy it is to use. And all we have to do now is let it cure. Just like all the other test videos, 2 layers, 1 hour in between, and then we'll give it 24 to 48 hours to cure. There is an obvious feel of slickness in the protected area compared to the unprotected portion of the panel, and you can see that using these foam blocks here. When it comes to gloss, there is a nice big jump in gloss, not the highest reading on the channel, but impressive nonetheless. Besides chemical resistance, which we're going to get to, I like to see how it does with heat resistance, and I'm going to run up the temperature in an isolated area exceeding 250 degrees. That will do it. Just keep an eye out on that area when we start to do the 10 wash test. You'll see if it starts to fail, it will be obvious. You can see the slight jetting effect as well. The outline is easy to pick up. So let's get started with that 10 wash test. Piece of cake. I brought out the traffic film, so let me dry off the panel so we can get direct contact without being diluted from the water during our 10 wash test. We're going to spray it on, let it sit for 3 minutes as usual, rinse it off, hit it with an alkaline cleaner, and then do another wash just to make sure there's no residue. So this sealant does get hit with just about everything up and down the pH scale, and it's doing rather well so far. And after a few rounds, starting to sheet as much as it does bead, but you get the point. It's really cold out here. The water's starting to ice. I'm going to head back inside. But before I do, let's see what the gloss hold looks like. And the readings dropped off just a little bit, but not too bad. And that will bring us to the final thoughts segment of this video. Ethos Resist, just under $20 for the product. Slickness and gloss are quickly evident as you're applying the product. It's user-friendly, flashes quickly. When it comes to chemical resistance, as the video shows, holds up well. The only thing I need to do is just keep you posted as cars that it's applied to come back for maintenance, and we see how they hold up when it comes to what Mother Nature can dish up to a vehicle, and there is no substitute for what she can do. So we'll keep you posted. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.